Keyboards are a part of our daily life. They come in all shapes and sizes, but often they aren't given much thought. On average, people type 3,500 words per day. Texting, emailing, gaming, each one using a keyboard. So why not take the time to step up your typing experience? Keyboard modding is a great hobby for doing just that. Making small changes here and there to improve the sound, look, and feel of your keyboard. Customization is endless. Keycaps, switches, everything can be tailored to your exact taste. The sound and feel of a keyboard are completely up to you. No more need for that boring blank Apple keyboard. The design is in your hands now. The color combinations are endless, so let your imagination flow and find what works best for you. Typing can feel like a cloud or a clicky pen, as silent as a mouse or a combination of all three. The choice is all yours. There are keyboards and parts for every budget bracket, so the hobby is accessible for everyone. So take some time and consider switching to a more luxurious typing experience. It'll be worth your while.